What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Javier and this is Fast TV. So today we're actually going to be replacing the clutch on this EVO 10 that you see behind me here. Now this EVO 10 you see behind me belongs to Victoria over at Sinister Graphics. So if you guys are needing any graphic design, wraps, anything like that needed done to your vehicle and you're in the Florida Panhandle, if you got stickers or particular designs that you want to get made and sent to you, go to Sinister Graphics. They'll get you covered, guys. But yeah, so today we're gonna be replacing the clutch on this this one here. Started slipping a little bit. As pretty and as beautiful as this car looks, and you would think it's just a show car, which it is also raced. They beat the hell out of this car any chance they get. So clutch has seen better days, so it's gonna get replaced. We're gonna be putting in a nice comp clutch kit setup on here, including a new monoblock and throwout bearing. So there's gonna be a lot of work, and there's a lot of stuff that has to be removed before we even get to taking off the transfer case and the transmission and all those other goodies. So as usual, I'm gonna shut up and just get to work. Yeah. All right. Well, didn't realize the GoPro died earlier in the day, so I went to go check on it because I thought I heard a beep, and it was dead. So here we are. I got the transmission off. I'm gonna take the clutch out of here. That does not look good at all. Shit. Well, all right, as you can see by my nice nasty hands, we got the transmission out and we got the clutch out, but unfortunately the flywheel is not going to play with us. It's pretty bad. Flywheel's pretty bad, and we do not have another one currently, and it's a Saturday, so no machine shops open that would probably even attempt to cut that flywheel. But that's where we're at right now. Just staying still, gonna pick them stuff up, clean everything up, order a flywheel, and probably be here next weekend. So that's all I got for you today. Sorry guys. Wish I was able to make a longer video, but we're at a standstill. Thank you for joining me. Appreciate you guys. You have a great day.